Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Could you tell me real quick, volume down real quick for info?
Yeah, I got it.
So what's your name and what's in here, man?
David Rains. We've got 4 ZBX 18s, negative ratio 6 order, 4 SCAR 4500 SK version 2s, wired at 1 ohm, strapped. It's a little gnarly.
It's good. Did you build this?
Yeah.
Really nice. Wow, you really built into the vehicle. Looks really good.
I did it the best I could for the room that I had. It's tight. That's why it's negative ratio. It's like
so does that
on the bottom?
Okay.
And like 19 on the top, and then I got 27 hertz tuned rear, 47 in the front. Okay. Got 300 amp hour of LiPo 4, 2 320 Autotech alts, 4 on 0 gauge.
Okay.
They're strapped at 1, so they're seeing half.
Yes, sir. Getting really low too. It plays low.
Yeah, it'll get low. I really wanted to tune it to 20 in the rear, but the port was just going to be way too long for my box.
Yes, sir.
So I just went to 27. It turned out pretty good.
Yes, sir.
Turned out better than I thought it would.
I really like the negative ratio response that you have going.
Yeah, I was kind of shocked.
Yeah.
That's like a 157 for C.
That's okay. That's pretty good. Yeah, man. Awesome. Can I see your alternator real quick? Your alternators, that's all right?
Yeah, you might only be able to see one. The other one's down really low.
Okay. They're all down there. All right. So these are 2 320s. All right. And I saw one battery in the back. Are the others hidden, or? Okay. Okay.
Yeah, that was
Okay. Appreciate it, man. Nice to meet you. Yeah, man. I'd love to hear it.
Yeah.
All right. Awesome.
life is fucked up, little nigga, and I meant what I said. I put that dick in her life, tell her some lies, then fuck up her head. I want that evidence, they say they had it in person, I'm sipping on red, I'm full of ideas. I run around with choppers in the coop, I'm on the walls look bullshit, you can think you crazy when she do free. I run around with choppers in the coop, all the chicks need a horse to try, come pick her up and beat the walls so sad. You can think you crazy when she do
You get them smelly. Man, you're putting some power on these things. Yeah. Appreciate it, man. Thank you very much for the demo.